Hi guys, welcome to SearchPie app. In this video, we will go over the AI generation feature. Let's go to SEO tags and content, choose SEO tags and you can see AI generation feature here. This feature helps you manually edit information of your page, including meta tags, page title, page description and so on. You can also use AI tool here to generate content. Let's get started. Firstly, please go to the page you want to edit content, then click Edit button here. Now you could manually edit the page title, page description, meta title, meta description, URL length and alt tags. Please make sure the content length meets the standard. You can check standards on the preview section here. You can also check if the keyword is included in the content. Just enter the keyword here, and click Check. Then please check all the notices here and add the keyword. If you want to use AI, let's click Generate by AI here. There are two options here, generating by keywords or by original content. If you choose to generate by keywords, let's enter some keywords needed, then choose language and tone, and click Generate. It takes some seconds to show the three results. Let's pick the one you like most. Besides, our app can also help you to bulk generate up to 10 products at once. You just need to select the products and kind of content need to generate and click this bulk generate button. That's all for now, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Please let us know if you have any other questions. Thank you.